be unboxing this package from Australia. It's a used DVD that I got, and I just want to show you how it looks like, how a package from Australia would look like. So this is the package. It's a DVD set. It's this item is hard to find, so I got it as a used copy. So it came with this like peanut beads to protect the item, and here is the DVD. This item is hard to find in English with English subtitle, because they're mostly made with Japanese subtitle. So I found some that were in US, but they didn't came in English. So I was able to find this set that came with a. So this is the box one. This is the DVD box one. And I actually asked the seller if it had an English subtitle, and he said yes. So I would just have to try if it will work on our DVD. So this is the box one. And there's the box two. So it is a really nice case. So this is the box two. So the box one comes with volume 1 to 20, and the second box came with volume 21 to 40. So if you look at this on YouTube, or if you just watch it normally, it has 40 episodes. So each volume has one episode. So I am very happy with the purchase. It came with a really nice box, and for a used copy, it's in a pretty good shape. I would just have to look at the inside if it's in the discs are in good shape. Getting a Japanese DVD, it's kind of a weird opening. It's kind of like it opens the other way, like you're used to. So this is the first, second, and third, and they're kind of numbered that way. And instead of opening from the right side, it opens on the left. So here are the discs. Let me see if it's not. Let's check the inside of the disc if it's in good shape. Oops. There you go. It looks brand new. So this is what I'm looking for. As you can see on the subtitles, it says English subtitles. That is what I'm looking for, because I have asked a few sellers on eBay, and they said they only had like Chinese or Japanese subtitles, and I can't read those subtitles. So we were looking for the English. So this DVD comes with 100. It says 100 minutes. So there you go. So this is just showing you how a Japanese DVD that I bought from Australia looks like. It would come with it would come with overall 6 DVDs. So here is the box 2. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, and then this is the 6, 5, and 4. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.